In today's video, I have a haul. I shopped for Black Friday and this is the size of the box. Keep watching to see what I purchased for Black Friday. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. Welcome. I couldn't find a palette that was pleasing to me, that looked good, that I can use. So I went abroad and I shopped, and this is what I bought. When the box arrived, it was already a little dented here. So I just opened it up and opened the palettes. I bought palettes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Box is now empty. I bought 6 palettes. 6 palettes right here. We're gonna go through them. They all come packaged like this, and they came from Beauty Bay. They come packaged just like this. Each and every one. Then you open. Then you take it out. And it is well packaged. This one is called the Neutrals, and that's by Beauty Bay, and it is the 16 color palette. This is the first one, Neutrals. They all come with a protector and a mirror, and this is what the palette looked like. When I tell you this palette is gorgeous in person, it is gorgeous in person. This is the Neutrals, 16 shades. The writing matches the box. That's number 1. The Neutral palette says, turn to the Fall Safe Classic with the Neutral palette, featuring 16 matte and shimmer shades, ranging from cool browns and greys to muted pink, creating endless cool, soft, and smoky looks. I am there for it. I am here for it all of it. I'll be using these all of 2026. Number 2 is the Botanicals. Green packaging. Black with green writing to match the box. Let's see what inside looks like. Take this off. I tell you, this is so pretty. Oh my God. I have palettes for a whole year. This is what it looks like. Can you see this? This is so beautiful. This is cute. Botanical. Embrace the calming side of the natural world with the Botanical palette, featuring 16 matte, metallic, and shimmer shades ranging from energizing greens to soft browns. This palette is perfect for all your future inspired looks. Yay! The next palette I have is called Berries. Box. Berries. Box. This is what the berries look like. It has a mirror, as you can see, but these are the shades. Cute! Yes, I'll be having a lot of fun. Berries take your look to juicy levels with the Berries palette, featuring 16 matte and shimmer shades ranging from bold reds to playful pinks and sweet purples. Get ready to create your prettiest looks yet. Yeah. The next palette is called Fiery. This is Fiery, and it's different from the berries. They all came packaged really well, really well. Fiery is here, and the box matched the writing. Let's see what it looks like. Take a look at this palette. It has a mirror. All of them have a mirror, and they're all 16 pan palettes. Take a look at this. How beautiful is this? Fiery bring some serious heat with the Fiery palette, featuring 16 shades and shimmer shades, ranging from feisty reds and warm oranges to luxe golds. It's time to make every look a spicy one. Yeah. The two last ones were the two I was very, very interested. I love how they look so much. I was going to get the 42 pan, the big ones. But then when I went back on Beauty Bay and I searched all Beauty Bay palette, I came across these, and they had a 6 palette bundle. So I said, I'll just buy that. The next palette is called Smoky. That is the first palette my eyes caught, the big one, and I really wanted it. But when I came across the 6, I said, I'll just get all and try them and see. Smoky. Now you'll see exactly why I really, really loved that palette. Take a look at this. The star of the show. Can you see why I wanted this palette? This is it. This is just a small one. The big one looks so pretty, but then I had to change my mind on the deal I was getting. So again, Smoky, the writing, and the box match. The Smoky palette. Join the dark side with the Smoky palette, featuring 16 glamorous nighttime inspired matte and shimmer shades. This palette is perfect for every low-key or high-intensity smoky eye, ranging from dove grays to deep slates to pops of sparkling silver and jet black. It's time to get smoky. So Rich was the second palette I wanted, and see, this is Rich. Again, the box is different from Fiery, and it is different from Berries. Rich. This is what rich looks like. Again, you can see why I wanted rich. I wanted rich and smoky so bad that I end up getting the rest in a bundle. The Rich palette says, give your look a lavish touch with the Rich palette, featuring 16 matte and shimmer shades ranging from warm browns and deep plums to plush golds. Get ready to create soft glam looks with a luxe edge. This was all 6 eyeshadow palettes. The sale was $39.99. And with shipping and customs, everything came up to like $58. So I got 16-pan colorful eyeshadow palettes for less than $100. This is it. So this is what my Black Friday holiday sale was. I wanted these and I bought them. And they are fun. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Never ever give up on yourself. Holiday season is here and things are getting tense. There is a lot of tension out there. Please take some time to relax. Please, if you cannot afford it, don't buy it. Please reach out and seek for help if you need help. Never, ever, ever, ever be ashamed to seek help. I love you dearly, and until I see you and you see me, reach out. Reach out. An aching heart and a disturbed mind needs peace. Seek help. Bye.